So right now, uh, today we start the new topic. A topic name is very important. Yes or no? So topic name is IP address. Clear? It's a basic. First we learn the basic theory part, then we discuss advanced part. Basically, IP address. Clear? IP address called Internet Protocol Address. Which one? Internet Protocol Address. How many types IP address available? Right now, you have two types, IPv4 and then IPv6. Clear? Today we discuss first IPv4. IPv6 separate topic we discuss from basics to advanced. That means first we learn how to configure, how to assign, clear? Then how to identify, how many total address available, how many networks we get. Then we discuss first IPv4. So basically IPv4 called Internet Protocol version 4. Which one? Internet Protocol version 4. Now second line is IPv4 called, it's a logical address. Which one address? Logical address. Clear? Now third point is IPv4, which form I am getting? It's a numerical address. Which one address? Numerical address. 1 2 3 4 keywords. Yes or no? Now one more, IPv4 provided by INA. INA called Internet Assigned Number of Authority. If you want to read the line from this one, which one? Internet Assigned Number of Authority to provide a globally IP address. Yes or no? This thing clear, Kadir? Now next point is IPv4. Basically IPv4 address total size, a total address size is 32 bits. How many bits, Mansi ji? Total address IP address size in single total IP address size is 32 bits. Basically an IPv4 address, how to identify which one is IPv4 or which one is IPv6? So for example, this type 1.1.1.1. How many numerical digit I am getting, Kadir, Devashish ji? A 4 digit. Yes or no? Every digit is separated by dot. Clear? Okay. IPv4, this digit inside one box. So I am calling octet. How many octets available? Basically 4 octet. Clear? 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. One more point, IPv4. Every octet separated by which one? Dot. Clear? IPv4. One octet size. How many bits? 8 bit. That means if you multiply 8 by 4, how many values are getting? 32 bit total address. This one single address size is 32 bits. Clear? One more point, IPv4. In IPv4, one octet size is 8 bit. That means I am putting a formula, a 2 power 8. Anyone know how many values come out? How many? Mayank ji, Mansi ji, Devashish, Kadir. Anyone know how many? If I'm using calculator, now verify, I already know which one value, but how to use a calculator in this concept? Because right now in standard calculator, I'm getting any option. Right now, go to scientific 2 power, how many? 8, a 256. How many values? 256. Okay. Again, IPv4. IPv4, one octet, a range start from 0 and then end 255. How many? 0 then end 255. If you count from this side to end this one, so how many total values? 256 values. Clear? Okay, right now one more thing, IPv4. IPv4 divided into classes. Which one? Classes. Clear? One more point, IPv4. First we discuss IPv4 class. So I'm getting class and then I'm getting one more detail, a range. So right now first class name is A, and A range is start 0 to 127. How many? 0 to 127. And then next class is B. And then range start from 128 to 191. Class C. Range start to 192 to 223. Next class name is D. Start from 224 to 239. Class E. 240 to 255. So right now how many class divided? 5 class available: A, B, C, D, and then E. Right now in CCNA we discuss how many class. Basically this 3 class in use right now in CCNA. Clear? In use right now. Class D. Which one, Mansi ji, Mayank? Class D. Basically class D reserved for
multicast.
Yes, reserved for multicasting purpose. I think I already discussed in OSI model. Yes or no? And class E reserved for research purpose. Clear? Reserved for research purpose. Clear? Right now how many class in use? A, B, and then C. Because in one octet I am getting how many values? 0 to 255. That is the reason. Clear? Okay, right now first we discuss reserve address information. Which one? Reserve address information. Class A 0. Reserve for DSCP process. Which one process? DSCP process. Okay, right now one more. 127 complete range. Reserve for NIC card testing purpose. Which one? NIC card testing purpose. Kadir, any idea about the NIC card? NIC card means network interface card. That means this one is LAN card or WAN card. Clear? Okay. Right now I will mark a red. Okay, 0 range. Never assign end device. Never assign end device. 127 also. Never assign end device. I think end device also clear. What is the meaning of end device? End device means PC, laptop, server, printer, camera. Yes or no? This type device. Clear? Okay. Right now, 127 reserved for NIC card testing. So in 127 range, one address reserved by default 127.0.0.1 for loopback testing. Loopback interface IP. I will write down the loopback interface IP. So right now verify, go to run, and then write down the short command ncpa.cpl. That means directly jump to network adapter setting. Clear? CPL means control panel. Enter. Now verify I'm directly jump. Yes or no? Now go to Ethernet adapter, this one, and go to property. Which one? IPv4 or IPv6? Which one address? 4. Property. Then trying to assign which one range? 0. Is dot. Now read the error, Devashish ji. 0 is not a valid entry. Please specify a value between 1 and 2 to 3. Okay, no issue. I will write down the one more value, 127. Now IP address starting with 127 are not valid because they are reserved for loopback interface. Yes or no? Please specify some other value in between 1 to 2 to 3. Clear? Okay, right now verify. Go to CMD and write down the very simple command ipconfig. I'm getting all interface address information. My Wi-Fi adapter IP is 192, 192, 192, this one, 69, 192, 192. Any 127 available? Any 127 available? No,
No.
not available right now, right now. CLS, clear the session. Now, if I'm trying to ping, which one address? Loop back address, enter. If I'm getting a reply, that means my network adapter card is working. Clear? If I'm not getting a reply, that means I'm getting a hardware issue. Clear? If I'm ping this address, so I'm getting a reply or not reply? Any idea? Because right now starting range is which one address? 127. That means 127 series completely reserved for loopback. Now verify. I'm getting reply. If I'm write down the IP one more, 127, 100, 100, 100. That means reply or not reply? Again reply, because 120 reserved for loopback. Clear? Okay, right now one more very important point. Close this one. So this thing clear? Now one more point. How to identify which class of IP address in use? Clear? So very simple, very simple. This one is my question. Right now, suppose if I am getting addresses 1.1.1.2. So which one class address I am using? Any idea?
A.
Class A. Oh, very good. Suppose if I am using 12.1.1.1, which class?
Class A.
Okay, very good. Now if I am using 1.1.2.1.1, which one class?
Same. A.
A. Oh, very good. No issue. Mansi ji, can you help me? 129.1.1. Which one class?
Class B.
Okay. Okay, Mayank. 145.1.1.1.1. Which one class, dear?
Same
B.
class.
Class B. Clear? Okay. Devashish ji, can you verify 172.1.1? Which class?
B.
Okay, very good. One more, 169 1.1. Which class?
B.
Okay. Okay, Kadir. If I'm using 199.1.1, which class?
Class C.
Okay, very good. This thing clear na? Okay. But right now, how to identify? Okay, write down the answer. Always check first octet values. Clear? Always check first octet values. How many possible values? 0 to 255. Yes or no? This thing clear? So in first octet 1, 112, 129, 145. Suppose if I am write down this one address, which class address? Mansi ji only. Mansi ji, which class address I am using? Mayank?
Class A.
Devashish ji?
Class A, sir.
Class
Class
A.
A. Because right now I'm just taking a confusion. Because right now class A, class B, class B, class C. Yes or no? So only verify first octet. Clear? Never go to second, third, or fourth. Clear? So this one is class A. Okay, right now second question. Second is INA provide total INA provide octet details. How many octet fixed for network and how many octet fixed for free for host? Clear? A network means a group. Clear? And this one is for end devices. Which one? End devices address. Clear? So how to verify? A very simple. Right now class is clear now. So right now I'm just creating a box. So in IPv4, how many octet available, Devashish ji? How many octet? Kadir, Devashish ji,
Four,
Mansi
four.
ji? 4. So I will write down the class. Then I will write down the range for range. Then I will write down the octet for network. Clear? Fix octet network. Fix octet for host. Then total number of address. Clear? Total number of address. Okay, right now first class name is first class A,
A,
and range start from valid range, because 0 or 127 now remove 1 to 126, and total octet available how many? 4. How many octet? 4 octet.
Four.
So for network by default, which one? This one is by default detail. I will write down the by default details from INA. Clear? So how many octet reserved for network by default? So if I mark N, that means network octet. So verify how many network octet, and then how many host octet. 1 network and 3 host. Clear? Okay, write down 1 octet fix, and how many octet free?
3.
3 octet free. Clear? A very simple formula. You can write down the 2 power. Then how many octet free? You can write down the value. Then you are getting total number of addresses. Clear? Okay. Next class is which one? Class B.
B.
128 to 191. How many octet? 4 octet again. But in class B, 2 octet fix by default. And how many octet remaining?
2.
2,
2 octet free. Then again I will write down the values. Which one? 2 power only free octet detail. Then I am getting total number of address. Clear? Now next class. Next class is C. Class C. 192 to 223. And how many octet available? Again 4 octet. But right now by default how many octet fix?
3,
3 octet fix. Then how many octet free? 1
1,
octet free for host by default. Then remaining I will write down the 2 power free details octet. Then I'm getting total number of addresses. Any doubt this thing? Any doubt? Okay. Right now in class A, any idea how many octet free? Mansi ji, Mayank ji, Devashish, Kadir. In class A, how many octet free?
3, sir.
3. That means in 3 octet, how many bits? How many bits?
2 power 3.
1 octet, how many bits? Any idea? 1 octet?
8 bits, sir.
8
8.
bit. If I am getting a 3 octet, that means 3 multiplied by 8, 24. Yes or no? How many bits? 24 bits. Yes or no? So I am getting 24 bit free. Clear? Okay. Inside class B, how many octet free? 2. That means how many bits?
16,
16.
16. In 1 octet, how many values? How many bits?
8,
8.
8. I use the calculator because I already know values. 2 power 24. 16,777,216. How many number of address I'm getting? This one. It's a big number. Yes or no? In which class? Number of addresses for n devices. This one. In class B, 65536. Now verify 2 power 16. Yes or no? 655536. Okay, in class C, how many number of address? I think I already clear. 256.
6.
This thing clear? Kadir, Devashish ji, Mansi ji,
Yes, sir.
clear? In class A, how many address free by default? 16777 In class B, 65536. In class C, how many number of addresses? 256. By default, I now provide. But right now, one more information. INA also provide subnet mask. Which one? Subnet mask information. What is the meaning of subnet mask? With the help of subnet mask, network engineer get information regarding how many total bits for network and host. Clear? How many bits? Network and host. Very simple formula. Copy this one, because right now this thing clear na? Copy and go to next slide. Paste. Subnet mask is very easy. Now verify. Which one subnet mask we discuss again? Which one? Default subnet mask information. Clear na? This thing? Mansi ji, Mayank, Devashish ji. Default subnet mask information provided by which one organization? INA. So write down the default subnet mask. Okay. In class A, how many octet fix? How many octet fix? Class A, one octet. Okay. If I'm trying to full my one octet, so which one value put? Which one value put? Because right
First.
now in one octet I am getting starting 0, then end with 255. Yes or no? So if I am getting full, that means fix. So I am putting 255. Yes or no? And remaining 3 octet, it's a free or fix. Verify.
Free.
Free. That means I will set the 000. Clear? So this one is my default subnet mask. In default subnet mask, how many octet free? 3. And 1 octet fix. For which one? Network concept. Clear? Okay. Class B, how many octet fix?
2.
2. That means how many octet full? 1, 2. And how many octet remaining? 2 octet free. 0, 0. Okay. Right now in class C, how many octet fix?
3.
3. 255, 255, 255.0. So class A subnet mask is 255000. Class B 255, 25500. Class C 255, 255, 2550. Clear this thing? Any doubt in subnet mask? Okay. Right now, one more thing. INA divide IP address into 2 parts. Clear? First called private IP addresses. Which one? Private IP addresses. Second called a public IP addresses. Clear? Okay. Right now, anyone know what is the difference in between private or public? Any idea about the private or public? So right now, first thing, private. This type address always use a LAN site. Which one side? LAN site. LAN site means local area network. Clear? Okay, one more important point. This addresses never access directly internet services. Clear? Any doubt? This addresses never access directly which one service? Internet service. Clear? This address always free, no chargeable, no charge. You can say free only. Clear? Always free. but public is very important address. Write down the theory. This type address use LAN side, that means local area network, and WAN side. WAN side means wide area network. You can say locally or publicly, both side use. Clear? But this address always use directly internet services. Clear? This address need to purchase from ISP. Clear? ISP called internet service provider. Clear? Any doubt? Kadir, Mansi ji, Mayank, Devashish. Private or public? Clear? Okay, right now first we discuss private IP address details. Clear? In class A, which one? Class A. 10 dot starting address always use into which one? Private. And this one is subnet mask. This one is, ma'am, subnet mask. So I don't want to write down this subnet mask. I am using /8. Clear? Which address? Private 10 dot series. Which one? 10 dot series address. If I am starting address with 10, that means private in class A. In class B, 172.16.0.0/12. If I am getting 172 with 16, that means this one is private address range. Clear? Okay, one more, class C. Kadir, any idea about class C?
192. But
168.0.0/value.
224.
Yes, 24. But sometime in your Google, you are getting /16. Why? Because 2 octet already fixed for a private. Clear? This thing clear? Okay. Right now, how many public IP address? Anyone know? How many public IP address? Public IP address details. Right now in class A, how many range remaining, ma'am? From, if I'm removed from 10, so how many range remaining? 1 to 9, then 11 to how many? 126. Clear na? Because I am using which one range address? 10 range. Clear? In class B, Mayank, in class B, how many address available private publicly? If I am remove 172, that means 128 to 171. Then how many? 173 to 191. Clear? This one is starting address a public. Class C. Class C. Class C available. Which one? 192 to 223, but 192 is reserve. Yes or no? 193 to 223. Clear? So private address or public is clear. Any doubt? Mansi ji, clear?
Yes, sir.
And okay.
Yes.
One more important point. Now scroll up and go to next one. I think in OSI model we set up a small diagram. Yes or no? Right now I am using which one device? Modem. Yes or no? And modem connected via users. Clear? And I am using mobile phone also. Clear? And modem connected via ISP. Clear? This side user. This one is user. Clear? And this one connected via ISP. So I will write down that this one is modem, PC, laptop, then PC, and this one is mobile phone, and this one is, ma'am, tablet. Clear? And this one is my ISP, internet service provider. Okay. This area, this area called which one area? This one is my local area network. Local area network. Clear? Okay. Right now, this one area. This one is my which one area? Public area. Public area. Clear na? That is the reason I am calling WAN. Clear? So wide area network. Clear? Okay. Right now. So suppose if I'm getting internet connection from my local ISP, which one ISP, dear? Local ISP. So ISP engineer provide a modem provide this side users address. Which one class? Basically I am getting this class of addresses by default. Yes or no? Which one address range I am getting? 192.168.0.0. PC IP address is 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. This one is this side, this node. I am getting which one IP addresses? Suppose I am getting 13.1.1.1. So this one is public IP or private IP, dear?
Public.
Public IP. And this one is which one IP? Mayank, Devashish ji? Private. Clear? Okay. Yes or no? But whenever modem provide this address, inside this address I am getting a value is how many? 24. How many? 24. This one is 24 bit in my subnet mask. How many bits? 24 bits in subnet mask. Okay. Right now this one is my subnet mask. Okay. How many bits in one octet? 8, 8, 8. Then how many? 8. How many bit in use? Anyone know how many bit in use in this concept? 24 bit. That means this one is complete use. This one is complete use. This one is complete use. Now my subnet mask is 255 because second full. Now 255. Then this one octet full or free? Free. Dot 0. Clear? This one is class C address and this one is which one class subnet mask? Anyone know? Which class subnet mask? Mansi ji, Mayank, Devashish, Kadir?
C class.
Class C, default subnet mask. Clear? Right now, how many octet free for host? 1 octet? Yes or no? In 1 octet, how many bits? Anyone know how many bits? 8 bit? Yes or no? In 1 octet, how many bits? 8 bit. If I am putting 2 power 8, how many values? 256 total address. Right now, verify. If you are getting confusion, so verify first this one. In class C, how many octet free? 1. And how many total number of addresses? Kadir, Devashish ji, 256. But right now in this concept, dear, in this concept, I am getting how many active user in my LAN? How many active user, ma'am? Please count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yes or no? But I am getting how many total address? 256. That means 256 minus 5. How many address available right now again? 251. This address I am getting a wastage. Yes or no? Yes or no? It's possible in your home 251 user available. It's possible. Kadir?
No.
No. So why we are doing wasting? And if I am doing wasting, so which type of issue I am getting? Suppose this user PC trying to communicate with this mobile phone. So first process is PC verify which one table, dear?
ARP table.
If entry not available, PC send which one message? Broadcast. Modem will get and modem will trying to identify how many total address? 256 address, but how many address available? 5. In this condition, modem will get first issue, CPU utilization. Which one? CPU utilization. Sometime your network goes down continuously. Need to your modem restart. Yes or no? because your modem buffer memory is full, because someone trying to sending continuously broadcast. So modem trying to verify where is 256. Yes or no? So in this process, CPU utilization is full. Clear? But second, number of IP addresses wastage, how many? 251. Clear? So how to resolve? How to resolve? That is the reason I am using which one concept? Hold on. Which one concept? Subnetting. Clear? To save IPv4 address. Which one address, ma'am? To save IPv4 address and break big network into small networks. Clear? This thing clear? Any doubt? With the help of subnetting, I am getting a save IPv4 address. With the help of subnetting, break a big network into which one network? A small network. In this condition, LAN user, how many IP address required only? Suppose I am getting only 20. Yes or no? 20 to 50. It's a possibilities. Yes or no? A 256 address available any one user home? No. So that is the reason I will do which one concept? Subnetting concept. First, to save IPv4 address wastage. Then second, break a big network into a small network. Clear? Mansi ji, Mayank, Devashish. Clear? Okay. How to perform subnetting concept? A subnetting is very simple. Subnetting is very simple. I have some formulas. Okay. A very simple formula. So which one topic we discussed here? Which one topic? Kadir? Topic name is subnetting. Clear? Now, first we use subnetting rule. Clear, Mayank? Subnetting rule, first concept is convert decimal value to binary. Clear? Convert decimal to binary. Then second concept is borrow bit. Which one bit? Borrow. Then third concept is Kadir, it's audible. Hello.
Yes.
Audible? Yes. Okay. Right now, third concept is default subnet mask convert into customize subnet mask. Yes or no? This thing clear? Fourth concept. Then I am getting increment bit. Fifth concept is I'm getting block size. Which one? Block size. Inside block size, I'm getting network address. Then I'm getting next valid IP address. Then I'm getting broadcast address. Clear? Any doubt? So subnetting rules, how many steps? Only 5 steps. First, convert decimal to binary, then borrow bit, then default subnet mask to customize, increment, then I'm getting block. So first thing we learn, convert decimal to binary. Anyone know how to convert? Anyone know? Devashish ji, Mayank ji, Mansi ji, Kadir? Very simple. Now first clear the decimal values. Decimal to we discuss which one value? Binary. Okay. Right now, if I'm using only 4 bit, how many bit dear? 4 bit. So I'm using formula 2 power 4. How many values come out? How many values come out? 2 power 4, 16. How many values? 16. Clear? Okay. So right now this 4 bit represent by this one. 8, 4, 2, 1. Clear? How to represent this value? Verify. Very simple. 4-bit. 2 power 0. I'm getting how many values? 1. 2 power 1. Then how many values? 2. 2 power 2. 4. Then 2 power 3. How many values? 8. So write down the values. 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Right now, if I'm calling 1, that means enable. If I'm calling 0, that means disable. Clear? So if I'm getting a decimal value in numerical form 0, so this decimal value is binary. How many? 8 is 0, 4 is 0, 2 is 0, 1 is 0. Any value any use? This one. 0 concept. No. But if I am getting decimal value is 1, then binary, Mangji, binary, 8 number bit on or off. If I am getting decimal value 1, it's a higher value or lower value? 8 from 1. Higher, that means 0. 4 is again higher, 0. 2, Kadir, 2 number, higher or lower value from 1?
Lower.
Lower. 1
Higher,
is
higher.
lower or 2 is higher? That means not in use, 0, disable. But 1 is equal. That means on. Yes or no? So my binary is 0, 0, 0, 1. Clear? Okay. Right now, Mansi ji, please unmute your mic. If you are getting decimal value 2, so binary is 0, 8 is 0, 4 is 0, and 2 is equal 1, 0. Clear na? Complete my value. If I am getting 3, Devashish ji, third number, decimal is 3. So how
Yes,
many
sir.
values?
0, 1, 0, 0.
8 is 0, not in use. 4 is 0 because higher value. 2 is 1. 1 is 1.
1, yes.
2 plus 1, how many? 3.
3.
4. Mansi ji, please unmute your mic. 4 decimal to binary, how many values?
0, 0,
Yes.
1, 0, 0.
1, 0, 0. Very good. 5, Mayank. 5. Mayank.
0, 1, 0, 1.
0, 1, 0, 1. Very good. 6, Kadir.
0, 1, 1, 0.
Oh, very good. Clear? So 4-bit is clear. Okay. Right now, how many possible values now verify? 7, 7, 0, 1, 1, 1, 8, 1000. Yes or no? 9,
1001.
1001, 10,
1010.
1010. Very good. 11,
1011.
1011.
1000.
Yes or no? 12, 12,
1.
1100. Clear na? Okay. Right now 13, Kadir, 13, 8, 4, 12,
0,
2
1.
is 14, 0, 1, 14,
1,
14.
1, 111,
and 15 is 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Complete on. Clear na? So 4-bit concept is very easy. Decimal to binary, binary to decimal, very easy. Now I am using how many bits? I am using 8-bit concept. Which one? 8-bit. So I think clear. 2 power 0. How many values? 1. 2 power 1. How many values? 2. 2 power 2. How many values?
4.
4. Okay. Very good. 4. 2 power 3. How many?
8.
8. 2 power 4.
4.
16. Math is very difficult. 5. 32.
32.
6. 64.
34.
7.
120.
Okay, now 8-bit is complete because inside 8-bit a range available 0 to 7. Yes or no? If I am count from 0 to 7, so please count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this one is
8.
8. Oh, very good, very good. Now task is represent this value. Okay, I'm creating a box. This box is clear. Now from last 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and then 1. This thing clear? Represent these bits. Yes or no? Okay. If I'm getting decimal value is 5. So which one bit on or off? Anyone know? 128 is on or off?
0.
0.
Off.
Higher? 0, 0.
0. 0. 0.
Clear
1.
na? Okay. Right now, if I'm getting a decimal value is 9. Any idea? 9. Convert. Binary.
0, 0, 0,
0 0 0
0.
1 0 0.
1,
1 0 0 1.
1.
Very good. Clear na? Very easy. Yes or no? Okay, no issue. Right now, decimal value is 13. 0,
0 0
0
0 0 1 0
1
1 1.
oh,
0.
very good. Very good. Very good. Right now, decimal value is 19. 0, 0,
0
0,
0
1,
1
0,
0
0,
0
1,
1.
1. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Decimal value is 24. Convert.
0
0
0 0 0
0
0
1
1. Okay, this one is 0.
0 0
0,
1
1,
1,
and 1.
1, 0,
0 0
0 0.
0. Okay, very good. So now your homework is convert these values. 57, 59, 127, clear? And then 45, 38, 95, 192, 168, 154, 132. Clear? This thing clear? So convert decimal to binary. Clear?